Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Elsa Rahmania. You can call me Elsa. I'm from class AK3F. Today I will present about project proposal of application of the economic order quantity or AUQ method in raw material inventory management in factories. The next slide, background. The rapid development of business in Indonesia has led to an increase in both small and large enterprises. To sustain operation and achieve optimal profits, companies must implement effective strategies, particularly in managing raw material procurement. Raw material inventory plays a crucial role in supporting production and ensuring customer satisfaction. Therefore, inventory levels must be well balanced, as shortages can disrupt production and reduce customer satisfaction. While excess inventory can increase storage costs and risk quality deterioration. The next slide, formulation of the problem. Based on the background of the problems identified, the research questions in this study are as follows. Number one, what is the economical order quantity of soybean raw material using the economic order quantity or EUQ method at factory X? Number two, when sold, the reordering of soybean raw material be carried out at factory X. Number three, is there a difference between the raw material inventory management cost calculated by factory X and those calculated using the economic order quantity or AOQ method? The next slide, research purpose. Based on the formulated research problems, the objective of this study are as follow. Number one, to calculate the economical order quantity of soybean raw materials using the economic order quantity or AOQ method at factory X. Number two, to determine the reorder point of soybean raw material at factory X in order to prevent shortage or excess inventory during the production process. Number three, to compare the raw material inventory management cost based on factory X calculation with those calculated using the economic order quantity or AUQ method. The next slide, benefits or results. Added, added references regarding the application of the economic quantity order or AOQ method in determining raw material inventory. Provide consideration to factory X management in calculating raw material inventory. Provide consideration to factory X management in calculating raw material inventory. The next slide, literature review. Definition of inventory. Inventory refers to materials or goods that are stored and intended to be used to fulfill specific purpose, such as for us in production or assembly activities, for resale or as spare part for equipment or machinery. Inventory control. Inventory control in as effort undertaken by a company to ensure the optimal availability of material needed for the production process so that operation runs smoothly and risks such as shortage or excess inventory can be minimized. This next slide, inventory function. Inventory has three inventory has three fun, Inventory has three main functions. The decoupling function, which allow companies to meet customer demand without relying directly on supplier. The economic load sizing function, which focus on cost efficiency toward optimal order quantities, and the anticipation function, which help companies handle predictable demand fluctuation such as seasonal demand. Economic quantity order method. Economy order quantity or AOQ refers to the most economical order quantity. It is the quantity of purchase of goods, such as raw material or auxiliary material, that minimize the total annual inventory holding cost and ordering cost. The next slide, research method. Research methodology is a scientific approach used to collect information related to the main objective of study with the ultimate goal of solving the problems encountered. The methodology serves as a theoretical framework for analyzing and addressing the issues discussed. It include data classification, data collection method, data processing method, and data analysis method. In this case study, the research in candidate to apply the economic order quantity or AOQ method in managing raw material inventory at the factory. This next slide, qualitative data. Qualitative research is a type of research that aims to describe and analyze phenomena, even social activities, attitudes, belief preparation, and the thought of individual or groups. In the study, qualitative data consists of a brief overview of the company, a description of raw material, and detailed information on inventory management activities at the factory. Next slide. Quantitative data. Quantitative research is a research procedure that seeks to generate knowledge by using numerical data as a tool to obtain information about what is being investigated. Essentially, quantitative research is used to address problems through careful measurement techniques of specific variables, which ultimately produce conclusion that can be generally understood. In this study, quantitative data are obtained from interview result recording data that affect the inventory cost of tofu production. In the next slide, systematics of rating. This research paper is structured in 5 chapters. Chapter 1 contains an introduction covering the background, problem formulation, objective, and benefit of the research. Chapter 2 discuss a literature review related to inventory control, inventory cost, and the economic order quantity or AUQ method. Chapter 3 present the research method used. Will chapter 4 present the research result and a discussion. Chapter 5 contains conclusion and recommendation based on the research result. The next slide. Conclusion. Based on the risk conducted, it can be concluded that the application of the economic order quantity or AOQ method provides a more efficiency approach to managing soybean raw material inventory at factory X. The AOQ method is able to determine the optimal order quantity that minimize total inventory costs, including ordering and holding costs. In addition, the determination of a appropriate reorder point help prevent raw material shortage or excess inventory, ensuring a smoother production process. The comparison result also indicate that inventory management costs calculated using the AOQ method are more economical than those calculated using the company's current method. Therefore, the implementation of the AOQ method can be recommended as a useful tool for improving inventory control and cost efficiency at 4X. The next slide. Thank you for your attention.